Bonjour à vous. Hello everyone. Sixth grade students, hope you all are fine. Until we have done page number 14 of your chapter number first, today we will do the page number 15 of chapter number 1. So please open page number 15. So the topic of your the name of your topic is l'accord des adjectifs, means agreement of adjectives. What do you mean by adjectives, students? Adjectives are those words that tell the quality of the noun. Quality can be positive or can be negative. So in French, adjectives agree with the number and gender of the noun that they qualify. In English, we don't change the adjective according to the numbers and the gender. For example, if she is a good girl, in this line good is adjective. Okay, he is a good boy, in this line good is adjective. But for the gender, he, she, good is same in English. But in French, we have to convert adjective in numbers and gender also. So let us learn how to make an adjective feminine. So here are the 4 rules. The first rule is this: to make an adjective feminine, usually add e. So as you know, I told you in the 5th classes also, if you in French we have to convert each and everything into gender. Okay, means into male and female, means girl and boy. So adjective also we will convert in the gender. So masculine singular means boys, feminine singular means girls. Okay, so petit means small. To convert this word into female form, we have just add e at the end. Okay, just add e at the end. So petit, this is petit and this is petite. Petit, petite. Okay. Now entresson means interesting. So entresante. To make this word into female, we just add e. Cou means short. Court means short for female. This is for boy, this is for girl. Now the second rule, the adjective remains same in the female form if the adjective already end with e. Okay, if any male adjective ends with e, then no need to change. For example, some words are here that are already ends with e. Okay, so difficile is ending with e, so no need to change. Same in female also. Jaune means young, same in female also. Rouge means red, same in female also. Moss means slim, same in female form also. Okay, students. Now the next rule, the third rule is this: if any adjective ends with eau in male form, to convert it into female form, we cut the eau and add ELLE. Okay. For example, beau means handsome. Handsome we use with the male, and for girls we use beautiful. And in French, to speak beautiful we have to speak belle. Okay, so according to the rule, this word is ending with EAU, and according to the rule we converted this EAU into ELLE. Okay, like as nouveau is ending with EAU. To convert into a female form, we cut the EAU and add ELLE. Okay, nouveau, nouvelle, it means new. New for boy, new for girl. This is new for girl, this is new for boy. Okay, students. Fourth and the last rule of the adjective is this: some words we have to double the last final consonant. We have to double. Okay, and then add e. For example, bon Bon means good. For example, you say bon après-midi, bonjour. Bon means good. To convert this into female form, we have to double the last consonant, the final consonant. The final consonant in this word is N. We have to double the N and then E, then add E. Okay. Océan, in this word we double the N and then add E. Gros, océan means old, gros means fat, bas means low, gentil means gentle. Okay, for these words we have to double the final consonant and then add E. Okay, this was the last rule of adjective. So move on to the next page. Let us learn how to make an adjective plural, and as you know very well how to convert a word into a plural form. So like we have done this earlier also in the previous videos also, some words you have to just put s to make it in a plural form. Like these are the examples. Moss means slim, grand means tall, bleu means blue, bon means good. So just add s at the end of the word. The second rule, if the word is already ending with s and x and z, then it will remain same. That was the first rule in the previous video. Third rule, if the word is ending with EAU, then for that we have to put X. This you know already. Okay, these are the examples. So students, these are the example of the adjective. This one is the exception. Exception are those words that are not following the rules. Okay, learn this word with boy. You have to put this with boy, that start with the vowel. Okay, you have to put this. It means old. The meaning of all these words are old, but this word we are using with male, with singular. This word we are using with male, with starting with vowel. This word we will use with male, plural. This word we will use with female, singular. This word we will use with female, plural. But the meaning of all these words are same. It is old. Okay. So students, let's move on to the next page, page number 17. Here are some adjectives given on your page number 17. One list is there. So answer anglais. Anglais means English. Anglais means English. English meaning is also given here. And male singular and female singular are here. Okay, I told you how to convert male into female singular. So first is big. Big is grand. Just add e at the end to make it into female. Petit. Petit means small. Just add e to make it into female. Petite. Épais. Épais means thick. Épaisse. Here is this. Which rule is following here? This rule. This fourth rule, where we have to double the final consonant. Okay, and then the fourth word is mons. It is already ending with e, so no need to change. Next is gros. It is also the fourth rule, where we have to double the last consonant and then put e. Gros means fat. Océan means old. Here also a fourth rule is following, where we have to double this last consonant. And nouveau, this is third rule is following here. What is the third rule? Third rule is this: if the word is ending with eau, to convert it into a female form, we have to put E to make it female. Okay, so jeune means young is already ending with e, so no need to change. Vieux means old for male, and will for female. Okay, gentil we have to this is fourth rule following here, gentil, where we have to double the consonant and then put e. Méchant is naughty, so here we just add e. to make it female. Aimable is already ending with E, so no need to change in female form. Now long is long, and longe is long for female, so this is different. If we are using the long word for male, this is the spelling. If you are using long word for female, then this is the spelling. Now cour is short, and court is short for female. Entrosso is interesting, just put add to make it into female form. Ennui is a boring, and ennuis is a boring in a female. Error is happy, errors is a happy for female. Thrist is already ending with E, so no change. Sympathic, no change. Empathic, no change. Souriant, we have to put E at the end. Oath, we have to put E at the end. Pass, this is fourth rule is following, where we have to double the last consonant and then put E. And loge is already ending with E, so no change. Formidable is already ending with E, so no change. Beth is already ending with E, so no change. For we have to put E to change into a plural form. So students, this is your adjectives in your book on page number 17. So please learn this table. English meaning is also given here. Okay students, this is enough for today. Au revoir, bye bye, Abhi Anto, see you soon.